Hey guys, we got a new kit to start on. Amts 1971 Dodge Charger RT. Level 2, molded in white, 1/25th scale. Comes with a 440 Magnum V8, Torque Flight 3-speed automatic. Here's the size of the actual car. This is by round 2, dated. Maybe it says here on the bottom. "2010. There's the back of the box of the parts tree. It's a heavy box. It must come with a lot of goodies. Well, let's take a look. Alright, here's our chrome tree. Front bumper, rear bumper, Magnum wheels, rear view mirror, a mirror on the driver's side. Here's our 4 tires. These look like they're no-name black walls. It says Poly or Goodyear. I'm sorry, Goodyear on the box, but you can't really read it on the tires. Here's our red taillight, our back window, our windshield, our headlights, our little marker lights for the bottom of the grille, side vent windows. Here's our chassis, the front part of it, or the back part. Here's our body, molded very well. Like it has a little textured roof, and the visors. There's our leaf springs, our rear seat, our door panels. Here's our front seat, the backs, wheel backs, steering wheel, steering column, battery. our hoses. Here's the front valance, the rear spoiler. The rest back is the exhaust. Here's the front part of our suspension. Looks like more hoses possibly. Won't know till I start putting it together. Trying to keep everything in a bag so I don't lose anything. Here's our instructions. Our engine, our chassis, our interior, wheels, like it tells you how to paint, what colors to paint everything. It's kind of cool. Here's some round 2 propaganda. There's a nice catalog. Kind of nice, just shows you everything that's coming out. That monster kit, pretty cool. So that UFO mystery ship. It's on this side. Zingers and the chopper bikes. Yeah. See what kind of shape the decals are in for as old as this kit is. Wow, surprisingly, they're in great shape. Even has a drag racing Pro Super Pro Pro Street Heavy with the window times. That's kind of cool. Decal for the air cleaner. Charger decals. RT for the hood. Alright, here's our engine halves, our radiator, dashboard, belt, oil pan, firewall, fan, exhaust intake, air cleaner, cylinder head, valve covers, carburetors, coil, and distributor. Transmission pan, other part of the radiator, excuse me, our exhaust, radiator hoses, our differential, dry shaft, our steering, Here's our shocks, our front suspension, our hood, sway bar, that's pretty much everything. Not a lot of parts. Get that grill black wash in the rims, that'll look good. But yeah, this is what I'm getting ready to start on. Everybody have a great rest of your day. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. We're getting close to 600 subs. Like the video. If I earned your like on it, great. If not, that's okay too. But I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.